is up, Web3 crew? Chris Atsumun's right here at Solana Crossroads, Istanbul, Turkey, and I'm with Miss Nara of Certora. How are you today?
Hi, all good, thank you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. How's the event so far?
It's good, it's good. Actually, the crowd is very well. It's very good. Like the sponsors are great, and also I like that there is like a student community. So like future generations, like new developers and stuff is for sure positive. Yeah.
Is this your first time to be a part of Solana Crossroads as an exhibitor?
Not the company itself, but me personally, yes.
Okay, so how did you guys prepare for it?
Well, we did, of course, some research on the other companies that are sponsoring and attending. Of course, we have also some partners here, so we already knew each other. And yeah, like we're really excited about the conference for sure.
And I can see that you are having fun so far. So let's talk about Certora and tell us a bit story about Certora.
Sure. So basically, Certora is a security company, and we specialize in smart contract security. But also, we have a really good specialization in formal verification, which is basically proving mathematically that the code is right with mathematical formulas. And we actually also have our own technology, which is called the Certora Prover. So actually, builders can use it, and also the teams inside that is basically mathematically verified.
Speaking of security, right? What are your expertise?
I would say we mainly focus on DeFi protocols, but we're also been working with the blockchains and ecosystem itself. And also we can adapt to whatever the project are doing. But yeah, DeFi is our main focus for sure.
All right, DeFi. Okay, so what makes Certora stand out from all the competitors, if you guys have?
Yeah, so I would say the formal verification itself is a secure level that not many other auditors can provide. And it basically, as I said, makes the code 100% correct and sure once we are formally verified it. So say that you have like an exchange or like you're moving like a lot of money on chain is a level of security that for sure you want to have in dealing with these huge amounts, for sure.
Interesting. And tell us a little bit the relationship between Certora and Solana.
Yeah, so the company started on the EVM side before, and then we actually expanded a few years ago in the Solana ecosystem. We've been working a lot with the Solana Foundation as well. We formally verified their SPL token extension, and we have like huge partners in the DeFi Solana ecosystem, like Gito, Camino, and many other protocols. So, and we're looking actually to work with more on the Solana. Yeah.
All right. Thank you so much. And then after Solana Crossroads, where are you guys heading to next? Any upcoming events, future projects to launch?
Yeah, so I'm heading actually to Token in Dubai in a couple of days, but then later we're gonna attend for sure HCC in Cannes in France. And then there is, Dev Connect in Argentina, which we're really excited about. Some of our teams is also located there, so also the community, the crypto community in Argentina is really, really strong and good. So we're really excited about that.
Okay, I am excited as well. So last question, what do you think is the future of money?
That's actually a good question. So working in the space, actually, I saw personally the benefit of blockchain and actually crypto. There are some countries that maybe have impacted of a lot of inflation, or they're like the access to funds and this kind of money is not always that smooth compared to other countries. So I would say I'm really actually excited about the crypto ecosystem and how it's gonna take these countries and those people, like normal people, not only like the crypto experts on. And I'm really curious to see how it's gonna go. So for sure, like decentralized finance is one of the main topics that excites me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Nara. It was nice to meet you. And now, can you please describe Solana Crossroads in 3 words?
In 3 words, I would say exciting new generations.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow, big word. Thank you so much, and it was nice meeting and talking to you. I hope you get a lot of insights from her. This is Mikasa 2 Moons. More to come only here at FOMO, the future of money.